Ready to transform your Facebook profile or page into a visual masterpiece that grabs attention. First, let's fire up Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Head over to the new document window. We're going to use custom dimensions specifically tailored for Facebook backgrounds for a profile background. Set the width to 851 pixels and the height to 315 pixels if you're designing for a Facebook page cover photo. Bump that width up to 820 pixels. While keeping the height at 312 pixels, keep the resolution at 72 dpi for optimal web display. Now we have our canvas. We're going to be creating from scratch. Let's start with our design. Consider your branding. Choose colors that fit your brand. You can use the rectangle tool to create solid colored base layers. Then experiment with shapes, gradients, and text to make it visually interesting and informative. Think about the overall message you want to convey and place key elements in a balanced arrangement. Use the Layers panel on the right to keep your design organized, naming them to keep track. Once your design is completed, test your work in a mock-up on Facebook by uploading your work to a draft page. The most important step is to save it for Facebook when exporting our file. Go to File, then Export, and then export as. Choose a format like JPG or PNG. JPG is often great for images. PNG is ideal if your background requires transparency. In the export settings, make sure the resolution is set to screen or 72 dpi, as that is best for web display. Hit export, and you're ready to upload this professional work. With the finished product, your background will stand out. You did it. And now the only thing left to do is publish your work.